Hello, I'm Draven, and today I'll be making an example of how to make a ball joint in Fusion 360. So here we have a 3mm circle. This will be the size of the shaft that comes off the ball joint. Right now we're constructing a tool to make the ball joint socket, so we need to make sure that the ball joint and the ball joint socket use similar measurements. This is a second sphere. This will be helpful in a second circle. This will create a second sphere that will allow the ball joint to click in easier. So we're finished with that sketch. Go back home. First extrusion. Symmetric. Hole length 10mm. This is just an example length. You need it to be however long you need it to be to cut through where you want your ball joint to be. Yeah. Second extrusion, the first circle, create the sphere that will help the ball joint lock in place. Second sphere, you need to make sure all of these are new bodies or else the filleting won't work. So you fillet this one 2.5. The cylinders are 5mm tall. Again, merge them all together and we've created our tool. So this here is the sketch of the example body I'm going to be putting the ball joint in. Doesn't need to be anything special here. This is a simple extrusion. Again, symmetric, hole length 5mm because that's the width of the ball joint. Then we merge in the tool body to the example body. Then we chamfer the outside edges here to allow the ball joint to rotate in case this is flush up against another surface. To do another fillet to take off the sharp edges. This one here is important. This is the tolerance. So I'm just shifting these faces back 0.1mm for FDM printers. For resin printers, you want to do 0.01 or adding 0.01 onto it until you've got an acceptable tolerance. Then we have the ball joint sketch. This is just a simple sketch, 3mm shaft, 5mm ball joint. Straight out the shaft. This one's gained 10mm, for example. This is the sphere. This is the cylinder that will become the sphere of the ball joint. Again, it needs to be a new body. Hole length symmetric, 5mm to match the diameter of the circle. Chamfered it exactly again, 2.5mm. Merge everything together. And there you have your ball joint. This ball joint design allows for 22 degrees of freedom in this direction and this direction, 180 degrees in this direction and this direction, 360 degrees along its axis.